And welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can create external cash transactions manually. Sometimes we have bank charges in bank statement, and we will see how to enter bank charges in system and reconcile them. Say for example, the bank charges is $20 that we have to enter as bank statement, and the same transaction should be available in system so that we can reconcile. Then we are creating the bank statement. Now let's see how we can create it. Click on navigator, click on cash management, bank statement and reconciliation, click on task list or task pane. Under external cash transactions, click on create a transaction. Select your bank account. Say ERPZEN BOA bank account. Say what is your business unit. That is optional, that is not mandatory. And here, when we are creating the bank statement, we have flow indicator whether it's debited or credited. But here there is no flow indicator. Since there is no flow indicator, the amount we have paid, we have to enter in negative sign, then system will understand it is debited from our account. And when we received the amount from bank, let's say interest from bank, then we will enter the amount in positive sign. That means money got credited to our bank account. For payments, we are creating in payables and receipts. First, we will see this. Enter $20 since we paid $20. I have paid on May 1st itself. Now here, enter the cash account. For payments, we are creating in payables, and receipts we are creating in receivables. Even though when we do reconciliation, it happens in those respective modules or applications only. Now select department, account, cash account, product, location, future 1 and future 2. Click on OK. Since we are directly creating the transaction here, we have to tell to the system which account should be debited and credited. Offset account talks about why we are paying this amount, and cash account will be credited. Say offset account is bank charges. Bank charges. Select the product. Future 1 and future 2. Click on OK. Here, offset account will be debited and cash account will be credited. Say save. Save and close. Now click on task list or task pane. Click on manage transactions. Now search with your bank account. ERPZEN bank account. Now hit search. Now you can see the statement, the transaction, the external transaction has been created. This is our external transaction. Now click on cancel. If you do create accounting, let's do that. We'll see that later. Now click on done. Now click on manage bank statements. Search with your bank account. ERPZEN bank account. Hit search. Okay. We'll create a new bank statement. Click on create bank statement and select the bank account. ERPZEN bank account. Say 1st May, say 31st, 1074. Now enter the statement lines. Click on create. Booking date, say 1st May. And reconciliation reference 073. That is optional. Say transaction code is check CHK. And flow indicator is, since we are paying, we'll go with the option called debit, $20. Say $20. Now click on OK. Click on save. Save and close. Now we will do manual reconciliation. Click on task list or task pane. Click on manual reconciliation. Select your bank account. ERPZEN bank account. Hit search. Now you can see $20 here. Select this record under bank statement lines. And select this record under system transactions. In the source, you can see external. Click on cancel. Now click on reconcile. Click on reconciled. Now search. Hit search. It is reconciled. Click on done. Now run bank statement report. bank account. Select your bank account. ERPZEN bank account. Select from date May 1st, May 31st. Click on submit. 7524. Select this record. Click on default document. Now see, this is our statement number 1074. And $20 we have paid, and the status is reconciled. Click on home. This is how we can reconcile external cash transactions in Oracle Fusion Cash Management mode. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.